Hey everyone, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude here back from a day of hunting. I stopped at Toys R Us, Toy Traders, and Walmart and picked up a few figures. If you've watched my previous videos, you've seen that I picked up the new Plesiosaurus at Walmart Canada. I did not know it was out here. I've never seen them, so they're probably just really rare. But I'm definitely keeping an eye out for more. I did find another Spinosaurus on sale and 6 of these Captivz eggs. I stopped off at Toy Traders, a place that sells used toys, and found a classic Carnegie Stegosaurus figure from Safari. So that one's a pretty cool one. And at Toys R Us they had this really cute Indominus Rex, which I never picked up before in the past, but I'm glad I did now because I think this is like the last time I'll see it on shelves. So it's super adorable. I can't wait to review this one. And I will be doing a review on the plesiosaur and definitely the egg openings. I'm hoping for a baryonyx, so fingers crossed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little update, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.